Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn topic number 3, current electricity. In our everyday life, each and everything depends on current electricity. Then what is mean by current? How current is produced? And from where we will get current? We are going to find out answer of this question in this topic. Also, in this topic, some important concepts are given for you, such as potential difference, what is mean by potential difference, what is mean by resistor, when resistor connected in parallel or series, what is the effective resistance, what is the role or function of resistance, then why voltmeter ammeter is used in the electric circuit, how electric circuit is formed, and how different scientists invented different laws related with the current electricity. These concepts are important for your 10th standard because in 10th standard, topic number 4, effects of electric current directly depend upon this topic. So, you should clear all these terms related with the current electricity. So, this topic is important for practical use also because we come across different type of electric appliances in our daily life. So this is the practical knowledge of current electricity. So we are going to learn all these points in this topic. First up, electricity is utmost importance in modern world. We depend on electricity for each and everything. This is introductory part of your topic. Electricity is used for running domestic appliances like fridge, electric oven, mixer, fans, washing machine, etc. All devices cannot run without electricity. Now here you can see one exceptional example which uses current electricity. Fishes such as eels, that is, some fishes are present in the sea which uses current electricity for their self-defense. The name of the fish is that eel, that is EELS. The spelling of that fish is, or name of that fish is eel, but the spelling is EELS, eels. These fishes uses current electricity to catch their prey and for self-defense. The lightning, during rainy season, you see the lightning in the sky. The lightning is the excellent example of flow of current electricity. Then, if you see on page number 30, there is a next point. Can you recall? Then what is the question? I am going to read it. You must have seen a waterfall. Which way does the water flow? Maybe all of you have seen the waterfall. Then you can easily tell the answer of this question. In which way does the water fall? The water fall from higher level to lower level. वॉटरफॉल म्हणजे काय? धबधबा. तुम्ही धबधबा सगळ्यांनी बघितला असेल. तर त्यामध्ये पाणी कसं पडतं, कुठून कुठं पडतं? फ्रॉम हायर लेवल टू लोअर लेवल वॉटर फ्लोज इन अ वॉटरफॉल. Then for generation of electricity, you can see here, for generation of electricity, water is released from a dam. If all of you have seen the dam, structure of dam, in a dam, water is stored at a higher level. Because when we store water at the higher level, it possesses higher potential energy. That is, in a dam, water is stored at a higher level so that it possesses higher potential energy. When water is released from the higher level, then potential energy get converted into kinetic energy, and turbine which are present at the lower level in the dam, they rotate due to water, and there is a generation of current electricity. So in a dam also, water is released from a dam at a higher level to lower level, and because of gravity, what is the function of gravitation? It attracts each and every object toward itself. So due to gravitational force, the water from higher level is attracted toward the lower level. So what will happen? It falls to lower level. If you see on page number 30, try this activity is not for your study. You have to perform this activity in your home. As water flows from higher level to lower level, similarly electric current also flow, but the flow of electric current depends upon the 2 points, that is, which are these points and what are the potential of these 2 point possesses. That is, flow of electric current directly does not take place. It depends upon the 2 points. If you see or observe the battery or cell in your home, you can also observe the remote cell or battery cells. You can see plus sign is present on one side. It indicates the higher potential at that point, and on the other side you can see the negative sign. It indicates that point is present at lower potential. So what are these potential? Potential means a difference in their capacity. That is, plus sign represent that point is present at a higher potential, and minus sign indicate that point is present at lower potential. These higher potential and lower potential are created in a battery due to chemical reactions present in the cell. How cells are created? Cells are created with the help of chemicals, and these chemical reactions created one point at a higher potential and one point at a lower potential. So what is the electric potential? More explanation about electric potential you can find in upper level standard, that is in 11th and 12th standard. Then what to remember in this standard? In this standard you have to just remember one definition of electric potential. What is that? Just like water, flow of electric charge between 2 points, flow of electric charge between 2 points depend on kind of electric level at those points. This level is called electric potential. Then electricity is flow of conduction of negatively charged electrons. That is what is meant by current. Current means flow of electrons. You have studied what is meant by atom in 8th standard. Each and every substance in this world is made up of atom. Then what is the structure of atom? If you study it very well, then structure of atom is inside the center of the atom nucleus is present. Inside the nucleus 2 charges are present, which are the positive protons and 0 charge neutrons present inside the nucleus. And outside the atom, electrons are revolving in a circular orbit. These electrons, the flow of that electrons called as current electricity. That is, if you observe the current electricity in your home, then that current electricity is nothing but flow of negatively charged ions or flow of negatively charged electrons is nothing but current electricity. Then positive charge always flow from point of higher potential to a point of lower potential. That is, positive charge always flow from higher potential to lower potential. But in case of electron, this thing is opposite. Then what is that thing? Electrons always flow from potential of lower to point of higher potential. Positive charge flows from higher potential to lower potential, but electrons flow from lower potential to higher potential. That is, this phenomena is reverse in case of electron as compared to positively charged ions. Always remember, positive charge always flow from higher potential to lower potential. That is, from positive negative. from positive to negative terminal. They flow. But in case of electron, they flow from negative terminal to positive terminal of the battery. That is, electrons or negatively charged ions or negatively charged electrons flow from negative terminal, that is lower potential, to higher potential. This point is very important. The positive charges moves from higher potential to lower potential, but electrons moves from lower potential to higher potential. Then what is the example of moving of electrons? If you see in rainy season, the lightning phenomenon. What is meant by lightning? Lightning is nothing but flow of electrons. Lightning is nothing but flow of electrons. The cloud possesses negative charged ions, or you can say electrons. Cloud possesses negatively charged ions. That is, cloud have negative potential. Cloud possesses negative potential. As compared to cloud, earth possesses zero potential. Earth have zero potential. So you can see these electrons come in the form of lightning toward the earth. These electrons come in the form of lightning toward the earth. This lightning is nothing but flow of electrons which possesses negative charge. In this phenomenon, you can see electrons are moving from negative potential to zero potential. And in maths, we have seen zero potential or zero value is greater than negative value. That is, -1 is less than 0 in maths. Similarly here, 0 is greater than negative. So, as I have told you that negative charges or electrons flow from lower potential to higher potential, in this phenomenon, earth possesses higher potential because it has zero potential, and cloud have a low potential because it possesses negative potential. Then flow of electron called as lightning, that is, lightning come from cloud to earth, that is from negative potential to zero potential. It indicates flow of electrons from lower potential to higher potential. Always remember, flow of electrons from lower potential to higher potential.